Okay, so on this Classkick website, if you go to the first page, it shows you how to join Tinkercad, and at the bottom here then is the traffic lights that you should have made. So if you want to see what they look like, it should look like this when it's finished. So when we start going through Classkick, you should be able to fill in the parts of the code that are missing. So for each of these pages, you fill in the parts of the code. For page number 3, you're looking at the different stages, the different steps. So at step 1, the green is on and the red is on light 2. So green 1 on, red 2 on, and the rest are off. You just go through the different steps. So step 2, step 3, step 4. You say which lights are on and which lights are off. The fourth page, will the traffic lights be in the setup or in the loop? So after they turn red, what happens when they turn red? Do they just stay red or do they go back to green? So the setup is if they stay red, the loop is if they go back to green after. Okay, page number 5 is how you write down the different steps in the code. So you can see here my red one is off. So it says digital write red one is low. Low is the same as off. Yellow one is off, so yellow one is low. And green one is on, so green one will be high. And again, for pages 5, 6, 7, and 8, you're just going through the different steps. So for step 2, it will be this one here. Step 3, it will be the third set here. And step 4 then will be the last set. Now the last thing that we're going to do is on page number 9. So if you look, yeah. I'll send it now in a minute, okay? So on page number 9, there is 8 steps. So if we look at step 1, okay, it shows you here a button that says code on Tinkercad. So that's the same as this button here. You click on code. The next thing you do is where it says blocks, change it to text, and then step 3 is press continue. So where is blocks, change to text, and then press continue. Okay, step 4, it says here delete all. So you delete everything that's in here. I delete. Step 5, it says here link for traffic light code. So I click on this link. And when I click on the link, it will open up a web page. And if you see here then, this is all of the code. So it's got, look, your int red, your int greens. Yeah, all we're going to do then is, look, step 6 is copy and step 7 is paste. So I copy all of this down to here. So I copy. I go back in here and I press paste. And the last thing then that you do, it says here there's a button for simulation. So I go up here and I press start simulation. And my traffic lights should now work. Okay, so when you follow that, your traffic light should work, and that's this traffic light project finished.